everyone, today we are going to discuss about a very basic topic, height, level and depth of a tree. Okay, so first of all we would discuss about height. So height of a node is the number of edges on the longest downward path between that node and a leaf. So basically what it want to say, for example, if you have to find the height of a node, so what would you do? From A to the leaf nodes, you have to find the longest path, and the longest path would be that path who had the maximum number of edges. So you have three choices in case of A, from A to G, A to E and A to F. Okay, but we would see who has the maximum number of edges. So from A to G you have two edges, 1 and 2. From A to F also 1 and 2 edges, but from A to G, A to E, 1, 2 and 3 edges you are getting. So the height of A would be 3. Okay, now we would discuss about the D's height. So D's height would be from D to the leaf node, and there is only one leaf node in case of D. Okay, so the height of D would be 1. Okay, now we go on to the C's height. So the C's height would be from C to the leaf nodes, and in case of C there are two leaf nodes, E and F. Okay, but the height of this this node is 1. Okay, and in this case you are getting two edges from C to D and D to E, 1 and 2. So the height of C would be 2. Okay, and now if I talk about the leaf nodes G, E and F, they would always having height 0 because they are itself the leaf nodes. So we can't go below them. Okay, so the heights of leaf nodes are always 0. Okay, and if you are asked generally what is the height of a tree, so the height of a overall tree is the height of the root node. Okay, so the height of this tree would be the height of A because A is the root node in this case, and so we can say the height of this tree is 3. Okay, now we move on to the depth of a tree. So the depth of a node is the number of edges from node to tree's root node. So basically what it want to say, for example, if we have to find the depth of D, so we would check the number of edges from D to the root node, and root node is always fixed for every node. So in every case the root node would be A. Okay, so we would have to find the number of edges, the longest part, we can say upward part, from that node to the root node. Okay, so from D to A you can see the number of edges are 2. So the depth would be 2. Okay, now you have to find a C's depth. So from C to the root node there is only one edge, so it would be 1. Okay, similarly F's depth, what would be the F depth? So F to A you would have 1, 2 and 3 edges to the root node. So F's depth would be 3. Okay, and A's depth, so A is itself the root node, and from that root itself it would be the 0 itself. Okay, so I hope that from here your concept would have cleared. Now we would see the level of a tree. So now we are going to discuss about the level of a tree. So the level of a tree is defined by 1 plus the number of connections between node and root. Or in simple language we can say that level equals to 1 plus depth. So whatever is the depth of that node, you just have to add 1 in that and it would be the level of that node. Okay, so the level always starts from 1 and level of root is 1. So in any case the root node would be at level 1. Okay, because we can see in the previous case the depth of a root node remains always 0. Okay, so 0 plus 1 would be the 1, and so the level of a root node is always 1. Okay, now we have to find the level of C node. So what would be the level of C node? Depth of the C node was from that node to root node, you would find first depth, that is 1. Add 1 to it, it would be the level of C. The level of D, what would be the level of D? Level of D, what is the depth of D? First see, 1 and 2. Just add 1 to it. The level of D would be 3. Okay. So I hope that you understand this topic. If you have any doubt, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks.